So you want to invest with Questrade? Do your research first. A risk review. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of online investing, specifically looking at a platform called Questrade. Now, before you jump in and start pouring your hard-earned cash into the market, let's take a step back. Is Questrade the right fit for you? Every investment comes with risk, and online platforms are no exception. So, before you hit that buy button, let's do a deep dive into a Questrade risk review. What is Questrade? Alright, crash course. Questrade is a Canadian discount brokerage firm. Basically, it's an online platform that lets you buy and sell investments like stocks, ETFs, options, and even some cryptocurrencies. They tout themselves as a low-cost option for investors, which can be appealing, especially for beginners. But here's the thing, while Questrade might seem like a simple way to jump into the market, there's more to consider than just fees. Let's unpack some of the key risks involved. Risk number 1, self-directed investing. First up, and this is a big one, with Questrade, you're in the driver's seat. Unlike a traditional investment advisor, Questrade doesn't provide financial advice. You're calling the shots on what to buy and sell. This can be a major advantage for experienced investors who know exactly what they're doing. But for beginners, it can be a recipe for disaster. Imagine this, you're new to the investing game. The market seems exciting, a gold rush of opportunity. But without proper guidance, you could end up chasing hot tips or making emotional decisions based on the latest news cycle. This is a surefire way to lose money. Risk number 2, margin trading. Questrade offers margin trading, which lets you borrow money to invest. This can magnify your returns, but it also magnifies your losses. Here's the danger, if the market moves against you, you could end up owing more than your initial investment. In a worst-case scenario, you could even get a margin call, where Questrade forces you to sell assets to cover your debt. This can be brutal, especially if the market is down. Risk number 3, lack of handholding. Sure, Questrade offers some educational resources, but it's not the same as having a dedicated financial advisor. If you're new to investing and have questions, you might find yourself lost in a sea of information overload. There's no one to hold your hand and guide you through the intricacies of the market. Security risks. Let's not forget about security. Online platforms are always a target for hackers. While Questrade has security measures in place, there's always a risk that your account could be compromised. This could lead to identity theft or even the loss of your hard-earned investment funds. Is Questrade right for you? So, with all these risks on the table, is Questrade right for you? Well, it depends. If you're a seasoned investor who knows the market inside and out, and you're comfortable making your own decisions, then Questrade's low fees and variety of investment options could be a great fit. But if you're a beginner, tread carefully. Consider starting with a robo-advisor or a platform that offers more educational resources and guidance. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Take the time to learn the ropes before diving headfirst into the market. Questrade can be a powerful tool for investors, but it's not without its risks. Do your research, understand the platform's limitations, and most importantly, know your own risk tolerance before you invest a single penny. Alright folks, that's it for today's Questrade risk review. Remember, investing should be exciting, but it shouldn't be reckless. Do your homework, be smart about your money, and happy investing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.